Hello everyone, welcome back to my construction vlog channel. On the screen is the 3D elevation of the house I'm currently building. The highlighted section shows the perimeter walls, the structural frame that shapes the overall layout of the building. In this video, we'll look back at the process of completing the first floor wall construction, a foundational stage that plays a crucial role in setting up for the next phases. Let's get started. Before laying any bricks, the supervisor checks the mortar thickness carefully. It must be within 1 to 1.5 centimeters to ensure firm bonding and a smooth, even wall. Any misalignment is corrected on the spot. No mistakes left behind. Look closely, and you'll see both front walls being built in parallel. Each brick is neatly placed along a taut string line, creating a balanced and precise structure down to every corner. Let's begin with the first wall. Take a closer look at each step of the process. The assistant mason is adding a fresh batch of mortar to the work area. This step is crucial because it ensures the lead mason has enough material to work continuously without interruption. The familiar steps: spreading mortar, placing bricks, tapping gently for alignment. It may seem simple, but it demands skill and meticulous attention to detail. Every row must not only be solid, but also look clean and precise. Another bucket of fresh mortar is quickly brought over, still warm from the mixer. Thanks to that, the mason can keep working non-stop. The steady supply keeps things flowing smoothly, fast and highly efficient. And there, the string line has just been fixed, signaling the upper edge of the window is about to be completed. This line serves as a perfect guide, ensuring every brick lines up straight and even. The next row of bricks begins. Mortar is spread evenly. Bricks are placed neatly and tightly. Gentle tapping echoes, rhythmic, precise, perfectly aligned. And just like that, the wall steadily rises, straight and firm, layer by layer. To keep the building process continuous, mortar needs to be replenished regularly. Now it's mixing time. Measuring the right ratio of cement, sand, and water, then mixing until the mixture becomes smooth, sticky, and cohesive enough for solid bricklaying. Cross bricks are added to tie the walls together. Not flashy, but crucial for long-term structural stability. At the window section, each brick is placed with millimeter precision. Measuring tools are used to mark and check positions to make sure everything follows the design exactly, avoiding errors and saving time on future corrections. The mortar meets standards: soft, smooth, and perfectly adhesive. The worker carefully tilts the mixer, pouring the mortar gently into a wheelbarrow ready to be wheeled to the site. Mortar is spread evenly. Bricks are placed precisely, and each one is tapped with a rubber mallet to keep everything aligned and tight. The lively tapping echoes steadily. The wall rises continuously, without missing a beat. Sample bricks are placed steadily, each layer aligned with correct elevation. You can now see the wall taking its final shape. Straight lines, sharp edges, and solid form emerging from careful bricklaying and skillful mortar application. Throughout the process, the mason regularly uses a ruler to measure and mark key points. Constant checking against the specifications ensures that each brick row is at the right height and spacing according to the plan, avoiding errors and saving time on later adjustments. Familiar steps like scooping mortar, applying it evenly, placing bricks into position, and tapping gently with a rubber mallet are repeated consistently and technically. It might look simple, but this rhythm and attention to detail are key to building a straight, sturdy, and standard-compliant wall. The final sample brick is placed precisely along the tension string, completing the alignment for the whole wall. On the door lintel, 3 reference bricks are also in place to serve as guides for installing future fixtures. On the opposite wall, work continues simultaneously. 2 masons in different spots, yet working in perfect sync, spreading mortar, laying bricks, tapping, every step precise. The final brick is in place. Now the masons just need to fill the remaining gaps above the top row, and the wall will be complete. The wall on the other side is already done, while on this side, construction has just begun, with the first sample bricks placed snugly next to the column, ensuring accurate alignment for the upcoming brick rows. Following the aligned guide string, each brick is laid precisely according to the design, ensuring the window edge stays straight and meets the correct dimensions. One on the left, one on the right, but their hands move in sync. Even mortar, accurate placement, gentle taps and rhythm. No need for words. Everything flows seamlessly. What if a brick is misaligned? No worries. Just tap it lightly with the edge of the trowel to correct its position. Just remember to tap gently, or you might mess up the mortar underneath. Now we raise the plumb line to the next level. This marks where the next brick goes on the opposite door edge. This string is like a spine for the wall. Follow it closely, and your bricks will line up perfectly every time. And there it was. The entire first floor walls were built, neat and tidy. Every row was straight, the mortar clean, and the corners perfectly square, creating a sturdy frame for the entire first floor. Looking back now, the full shape of the house was really starting to take shape. The house building journey is far from over, and there's still so much more to see. If you're building or just passionate about construction, stay tuned for the next vlog. Thanks for watching. See you next time.